Parang alam ko na kung ano yung word niya. Di ba? My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. As a Dark Lord, I can read people's minds. And in order for me to read your mind, kailangan kong kunin yung thought mo. Parang alam ko na kung ano yung word niya. Di ba ginawa ni Voldemort yun? Ah, interesting. Sana tama ako. Close your eyes. Papakita ko muna sa inyo kung anong feeling ko yung word niya, but don't read out loud. And gusto ko lang magbigay ng konting paalala sa inyo. Word niya to, hindi ko. Okay? Kasi feeling ko ito yung word niya. Okay? What is your word? Bading. Bading? Thank you very much. Let's give her a big hand.